Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and had a couple of questions, and I'm going to show you what I answered him. His first question was he couldn't figure out how to get this arrow point in the center between these two lines. And the other thing was this is a font and this is Arial, but if you notice right here, there's a slight curve to this, and to kind of prove that point, you can take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you can see the curvature of the point, and you can actually go a little further and take that and duplicate it, Control D and make a duplicate, and then mirror it, and you can see where it's off. And you want to know how to correct that, and that's very easily done. You're going to need to convert it to a curve, and then you take your shape tool and you just get rid of these two nodes. Well, it's still got a curve, but select all three of these nodes, right click on your mouse and convert them to a line, and now you've got a triangle. But his other question was, how could he make this point of this line in the center of this? You can see it's a little heavier down here on the bottom, a little thicker. There's at least two ways to do this, or the ways that I would do it. One of them would be to take a rectangle and get on that edge and just stay on that edge and then go down until it snaps to that other edge. And now you've got a center point on that box. Get your indexing line and it'll get it close and it'll snap to that. And you can see we're not on that point. So take your shape tool and select on that point, start moving that, and then hold down your control button so it'll stay perpendicular. And now that arrow is in that line. So that'd be one way to do it. The other way to do it would be to take a 2-point line, grab on that node, start moving it, and then hold down your control button so it's perpendicular, and it'll snap to that edge. And you can see we're already in the center. Well, let's make it off. Let's take this indexing line away, or get it off. Now let's take our line, grab our shape tool, select all the nodes of that line, and add a node. It will automatically add it to the center of that line. So let's go here now and take our indexing line. And when you move your indexing line, if you get near your line, you can actually see it go from edge to node. So that line now is in the center. Same thing, grab your shape tool, start moving it, but hold down your control button, and it'll snap to that edge. So there's two ways to center a line, I guess, between an object. And then once you fill this in with your Smart Fill tool, it'll be that logo. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.